I am Chikoo. Today we will learn fun action words with animals and nature. Fly, the bird flies high in the sky. Swim, the fish swims in the water. Run, the dog runs very fast. Climb, the monkey climbs the tree. Crawl, the turtle crawls slowly. Hop, the rabbit hops on the grass. Roar, the lion roars loudly. Dig, the mole digs in the ground. Splash, the elephant splashes water. Swing, the chimpanzee swings on the vines. Jump, the frog jumps on the lily pad. Yay! We learned action words with animals today. Jump, fly, swim, run, and more. And don't miss out on the fun. Please hit that subscribe button below.